20. We're gonna do 23. 24. 25. Okay. Okay, number 23. Okay, to make a maximum, to find a minimum score, he should have 3 maximum. 3 maximum is 3 times 93, so 279. Then you're gonna have a least score. So average should be average is 86. So times 4 test is 344. So 344 minus 279 is 65 is lowest score he can get. Okay, that's a simple math, but you have to read it carefully. Okay. Okay, next one is this one. Okay, French class. Okay, 30 students. Spanish we don't know yet, but French class average is 150. Spanish average 130. So they say average of total student is 142. So we know that how many students in there. So how many students? Total students 30 plus x, right? So 30 plus x times 140 is the total weight. Then French class weight is 30 times 150. And plus Spanish class is x 130 times x is total Spanish weight. So we can adding together make a total weight, average weight, not total weight. So x is 20. Okay, 24. Just gonna be a simple question, but you have to know about what is the sum of interior angle. So to find the sum of interior angle, you can make a line over there. Okay, one triangle and one other line right there, just connecting two triangle, and you're gonna have a third triangle. So one triangle sum is 180, right? So we have a 3 triangle. So 3 times 1 is 540. So average of 5 angle is divided by 5, so 108 angle. Okay. Next one is 25. It's very good question. Very good question. Least price. Okay. No, not least price. Least value. So bracket 2 pi plus bracket minus pi divided by 2, right? So we're looking for, this bracket means least value, right? So least value of 6.28 plus least value of minus 3.14. This least value is 6, correct? But this one, do not confuse and make sure this least value is minus 4. That's a tricky things, yeah. So 6 plus minus 4 divided by 2 is 1. Okay? Okay, be careful about in your exam, least value. Okay, this is going to be minus 4. Okay, next one is I just have a space over there, so I'll pull out the several questions for you. They say hold this in example is trying to find you have you can solve the equation and the factoring things. So a square minus b square is 21. A square plus b square is 29. What is a times b? These kind of things we are familiar with, solving by equation, x and y, substitution or something else. But we can adding together. It's a tricky thing. Adding together, you easily find a and b. So once you're adding this one, then 2a squared is 50, right? So a squared is 25. So a is, making sure, plus minus 5. Okay? Then we're gonna pick just plus 5. Then a is plus 5. Then what is the b? We're gonna plug over there. So 25, right? So moving the other side, b squared is 4. So b is plus minus 2. So even though a has a 1 value, b has a 2 value. Okay? Okay. Next one is very similar things. Let me a little bit. Very similar things, but the method of solving is a little different. They say a square plus b squared is 4. And a minus b square, parenthesis of a minus b square is 2. What is a times b? This case, you have to you have to distribute this one over there. So a plus b squared is 4. This distribution is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Just 2 is 2 there, right? So we're gonna subtraction from this one, subtraction from this to this. So this is gone, b squared is gone, so left over is 2 times ab. So 2 times ab is 2, so ab is 1. Okay? So making sure you fully understand the factoring and distribution. That is the question. Next one is, okay, 1 over a plus 1 over b is 1 over c. And given condition is a times b is c. Then what is average of a plus b? Okay, so we're gonna do this one from given condition right there. This one we're gonna rewrite this one a plus b plus a over a plus b, right? We're gonna adding this one equal 1 over c, right? Then we're looking for a plus b, right? We have to find the a plus b, right? So we're looking for a plus b over here. Then a plus b or b plus a is, we're going to move this part over there, ab divided by c, okay? So a plus b is ab divided by c. Simply we plug this one over there. We're going to plug in over there. So that is ab over c divided by 2. Then they say ab is c, right? From given condition, ab is c, so I plug this over there, c over c. So this is going to be 1, so 1 over there over 2. So 1.5. Answer is 1.5. Okay, next question is, it's also tricky things. A is greater than b, okay? A minus b times a plus b is greater than a minus b times a minus b. Be careful. Every time in your exam, which one is bigger? By comparison. You have to compare, right? At the time, they don't have any restriction over there. What is the range of A and B? So you have to find out is it A and B are between 0 and 1 or more than 1? No, bigger than 1. or A and B is between minus and 0 or less than minus 1. Once you figure it out, this one, you cannot decide which one is bigger. Okay, so we cannot decide it which one is bigger because no given condition, no range. Okay, okay. Let me the vocabulary. Have a time. 이거는 외우셔야 될 것 같아요. extrinsic, intrinsic. 이거는 x는 out이라는 뜻이고 이거는 trinsic. 이건 출에서 나온 말인데 이거 외적이라는 소리. 이거는 exterior 바깥 외적인 거고 intrinsic 그러면 내적 그렇게 되는 겁니다. 이건 좀 외우셔야 될 것 같아요. 그 다음에 여러분이 잘 아는 거 모니터 그러죠. 모니터 한다. 이거는 리마인드 한다는 뜻이에요. 그래서 admonish 다 여기서 나온 거죠. admonish 그러면 이렇게 사전에 경고하다 그런 말이 되겠죠. 그 다음에 이거랑 비슷한 말이 premonition 똑같아요. 경고한다, warning한다 그런 뜻입니다. 이 모니의 뜻이 remind 그런 뜻이에요. 여러분이 많이 외웠죠? 나도 많이 외웠어요. deprive of 뭐 그런 거 있죠? 많이 외웠어요, 나도요. 이건 private에서 나온 거예요. 이렇게 D는 out 이렇게 뺏어가는 거니까 deprive하면 뺏어가면 되는 뜻이에요. 없애다. 그 다음에 여기서 나왔는데 이거는 privation 이거의 명사형은 아니면 명사로 쓰는 거예요. 뭐가 분실됐다, 없어졌다 그런 뜻입니다. 이렇게. 그 다음에 이제 여기 비슷한 말이 privilege. privilege는 여러분이 잘 아는, 여러분이 외웠겠지만, 특권이라고 그러죠? 특권이라고 해요. privilege. 근데 여랑 비슷한 말이 뭐냐? prerogative. 이거 pre는 먼저고, rogative는 ask한다는 뜻이에요. 그래서 여러분이 외운 단어 중에 interrogate는 speak 한다는 뜻이에요. speak. 그러니까 interrogate 하면은 안으로 막 이렇게 물어본다. 그러니까 신문한다. 그런 뜻이에요. prerogative는 뭐냐? 먼저 물어본다. 그러니까 먼저 무슨 특권을 준다. 그런 뜻으로 생각하시면 돼요. 제트슨은 여러분 제트 엔진 그러면 분사한다는 거 분사도 되고 이 throw out 이게 버린다는 뜻. 이렇게 제트슨 그러면 버린다 그런 뜻이에요. 그런 뜻으로 많이 씁니다. 그다음에 여기랑 비슷한 말이 renegate는 뭐냐 하면은 이거 re는 다시고 negate는 네거티브 뜻이에요. 그래서 renegate 하면은 이 배반하는 거를 renegate 아니면 떨어져 나가는 거. 예, 여기랑 비슷한 말이 abnegate, 네거티브 뜻이는 negate가 네거티브 뜻. 이거 포기하다, 남을 비방하다 그런 뜻이거든. renegate 이것도 네거티브 뜻인데 뭐 비방하다도 되고 뭘 갖고 있는 거를 갖다 포기한다 그런 뜻도 돼요. 오케이? 리게이트는 좀 외우셔야 될 거예요. 이거 본드 어디에 딱 붙어 있다. 그래 본드 연관이 되어 있다. 그래서 liaison. 그러면 이거 secretly 이렇게 비밀적으로 컨택하고 있다. liaison이라고 합니다. 이렇게